we're leaving. It is already 12 p.m. but we had to wait for our laundry. It is still not everything dry, but we need to leave. Maryborough, Campervan Park, thanks for having us. It is already 12, quarter past 12.
How long?
Oh, sorry. This way, to the left. Yes, right. 1 hour 10 minutes again? Everything seems so close in Google Maps, but when you're starting the route, it always says at least 1 hour. Australia is so huge. This country is crazy. Okay, Rainbow Beach. No, Great Sandy National Park. Here we go.
Let me show you something.
While waiting this morning for the laundry, we also used the time to plan for our travel plans. So today, in exactly 11 days, we have to drop off this camper in Sydney. And for that day and the time after camper van here in Australia, we've already had something in mind. But the flight to our next destination not only doubled, so the price not only doubled for the flight, it also tripled, quadrupled. It is super expensive. The flight became super expensive, so we now need to find another solution. Can I say the country? I mean, is there still a chance that we go there? Because we didn't want to reveal that country before we really booked something for it. Is there still a chance, or is it like... I can say it now because it is from today on officially cancelled. Our next destination would have been New Zealand. And the reason for that is super easy, because they announced online that they might open on the 2nd of May, which was 3 days ago. But everything was not 100% sure, so we waited before we booked the flight. And since they opened 3 days ago, the price for the flight increased. We need to find a solution where to travel from the 16th of May on. We got 11 days left. I noticed yesterday while editing in our video that the sound of the microphone and the camera is like a little bit... I don't know what it is. I might switch to the 90D back today. Better image quality, but onboard sound. But the combination with the microphone and the Canon M50 seems that it is not working as well, so I'm sorry for the bad audio quality. I just hope that you can hear at least dancing and not only... Sorry for that. And it is raining. Our plan for today is not only go to the Sandy National Park, we also want to go to the Rainbow Beach and to the Carlo sand plow. We are here at the Rainbow Beach. We have arrived, and here's no rainbow because here's no rain. But the sun is there, it is warm, and we now headed to the... what is it called? Carlo? Carlo, right? Carlo sand blow. This should be 20 minutes walk into this direction. Oh, here are cars on the beach. Wow! Look at this beach! It's the biggest beach I've ever seen. Check out how far you can look. Whoa! And it goes all around here. This is really the biggest beach I've ever seen. Whoa! And the waves. I wish I could surf. I need to learn that. Maybe on Bali. What's your phone saying? So we walked all the way along the beach here, and we thought that the sand dune is here at the beach, but it isn't. I mean, we're walking for several minutes already, and we don't want to walk back. And we also didn't know that the water's coming in. It is flood. What do we do now?
I don't know.
Huh? Let's go up here. Maybe we can... Let's go this way. Let's try it. Oh. That's steep. That could be maybe a little bit difficult, honey. Even if we make it to the top, we don't know what is behind. I mean, just imagine it's a forest. And we're wearing our tongs. Are you okay? We're getting ready for the climb. Skateboard is strapped to the back. Yeah? Oh, much better. Okay, this way seems to be way more appropriate. Let me go first. Oh. Huh. Ooh. This is way more steep than I thought. Oh, you're right. This is very slippery. I'm almost there. But the last part is almost impossible. It seems like there's no way. We need to take another way. I didn't fall, but the camera got slightly muddy. This way here looks easier. Is it there? We're almost there. We're almost there. Here's nothing. But the view is amazing. Is he away?
Yes.
Really? Okay, I just need to correct myself here with what I said. This we just have been is the so-called small Carlo sand blow, and this is where we just have been, a small Carlo sand blow, and it seems to be that here's the Carlo sand plow. So there must be two of them. Is this the way? We don't know really if it is allowed to walk here. It seems to be that this could be private, but Google Maps is saying us that this is the way. Honey, if it's not here, then I don't know where it is. Honey, here is nothing.
Das ist hier aber.
All of this here is private land. Oh my god. Seriously? Okay, this was definitely private land. And now we are in a street.
Die Frage ist ganz ehrlich, ob wir mit
Yeah, I don't know. So let's go.
zurück und holen
Okay.
den Camper und fahren so lang.
Okay, we're now going back and get the camper. I knew exactly why I should bring the skateboard. It's definitely not the best footwear for driving a skateboard, even if it goes faster and faster. Oh, I fall. I knew it's not a good idea. Second attempt now with the camper. Ah, this looks much better, honey. We are right here, we've parked the camper here, and we need to go all along here. Stairs, viewing platform, Carlo sand blow. Let's go! Whoa! Oh my god! Okay, this is definitely way bigger than the smaller one. Whoa! Let's go down. Come on. Okay, wow. This is crazy. Right over here is the beach. I mean, this looks already insane. And right over here, check the view out. How far you can look. This is so cool, honey. It is really hard for me not to fly the drone, but it is also quite dangerous because right over here are some paragliders, and it is quite a famous spot for paragliding here. This is the end of the sand blow. This looks so crazy. Can you imagine the dimension of all of that here? I mean, this is a car down there. Can you see the car? How small and tiny it is? And I'm way up here. Whoa! Okay, there is nothing better than to end today's vlog with unbelievable, amazing, beautiful drone footage. We were super lucky because all the paragliders are gone. Such an amazing spot, isn't it?
It is.
Do you remember when I said that at the rainbow beach there is no rainbow because there is no rain? There is still no rain, but there's a rainbow! What?
There's a rainbow!
Yeah, there's a rainbow! Such days are really... get goosebumps right now. I'm so glad and I'm so thankful to be able to experience something like that with the most beautiful girl I know. Ooh. Maybe I should have worn the Vans, not my tongs. Bye bye skateboard. Oh honey, it's driving alone. It doesn't stop.